Hello guys, use my phone Tecno Camon 70p. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory in the gray color. Okay, look, completation, open box. We have protected back cover, adapter for charging, headphones and USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Very good completation with headphones with protected back cover. And now talk about device. We have quad camera on the back side, flash. On the front side, display 6.8 inch, front camera. On this side, power key and home keys. On this side, slot for nano SIM card. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. We have full HD plus resolution IPS display 60 Hz. Android 11 and Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. MediaTek MT6769. This octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, CPU speed 128 and 2 GHz. GPU Mali G52. Resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score, multi-core score. And look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay. Open the modded game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works very good, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.